Hey everyone, Marc Saltzman here at the Galaxy Note9 unveiling, the Unpacked event in New York City. This is your first look at the device, a hands-on look at the brand new device from Samsung. So let's cover some of the key features here. Number one, a new S Pen, a new stylus that is now Bluetooth enabled. And I love the fact that it's a different color than the device itself, by the way. So of course an S Pen is used for writing notes and sketching and drawing and using the stylus to navigate around the device. But now with Bluetooth, it wirelessly communicates with the Note9. So you can do things like use this as a presentation tool and give a presentation by single clicking through the button and it advances through the slides, or double clicking to bring it back. You can use it as a remote shutter, so you can lock that into a tripod and use it as a selfie camera or another, a group shot, if you will. You can control your music with this. It can be a timer, and they're going to open that up to the developers to decide what that Bluetooth enabled S Pen can do. It has a battery that's already built in, and this is pretty cool. When you plug it into the bottom of the Note9, which is similar to last year's version, it will actually charge it up, which it does so in about 40 seconds, which is pretty awesome, and that can last up to 30 minutes or about 200 clicks. All right, so number one is the new S Pen. Secondly is the new intelligent camera. So it uses some artificial intelligence on the back end to analyze the scene that it's looking at, whether it's a macro shot or a landscape or a portrait, and it'll make settings on the fly for you, just to make photography easier. So it does still, of course, have the dual lens on the back. It's got that image stabilization. It's great for low light performance, but it'll now, on the fly, adjust for your settings, your environment, which is pretty cool. All right, battery life. So this is a big one for me. Not the sexiest of features when it comes to smartphones, but I think a thorn in everybody's side who relies on these things for work and play. So this is the first Galaxy device with a 4,000 milliamp battery, which will give you all-day performance. So that is the largest battery size, a 4,000 mAh battery, than any other Galaxy that has predated it. So that's pretty cool. And then finally, I love the new DeX integration. So DeX used to be where you can connect this phone to a monitor, but you needed, a keyboard, a mouse, and these other accessories in order to do so, a little base. But now all you need is this DeX to HDMI cable, one thing, connect it to a large screen monitor, and now you can enjoy your content big screen. You can swipe down from the top and then access a mouse cursor using your fingertip, and if you land on a document or on a web browser where you can input some information, the phone now becomes a big keyboard for you. So very clever integration, making it even easier to work on the go. So that's a quick look at the Galaxy Note9 from Samsung. It's available now for pre-order. In the US, it's in magenta or blue. In Canada, it's in black or blue. And the memory configuration starts at 128 for storage on the low end. So they've doubled the minimum storage, but there's also a 512 option. Not to mention it's expandable with up to 512 gig SD, or micro SD memory cards. So you've got the first 1 terabyte storage phone, if you will. Very cool stuff. Samsung has more if you want to check them out online. Thanks for watching.